to the Health Hub. Today, we will discuss about which foods are high in protein. Whether you're trying to lose weight, build more muscle to the gym, or simply feel your best. Getting enough protein is crucial for a balanced, healthy lifestyle. Why is eating high-protein foods important? Protein is a macronutrient that is responsible for building the muscle mass. It's an essential building block in human body. In one 2004 study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition showed that of the three macronutrients, protein is the most filling, leaving you feeling more satisfied. Studies suggest that consuming protein can help curb your hunger and keep you feeling full. Protein is also vital for building and maintaining the muscle. Hence the reason why so many dedicated gym goers choose to take protein powder. High-protein foods to integrated your diet? Eggs, oat, Greek yogurt, chicken, almonds, black bean, salmon, beef and quinoa are high in protein. Cauliflower, guava and avocado also relatively high in protein compared to other veggies and fruits. Can you intake high protein? While a high-protein diet certainly has plenty of benefits, a healthy diet is ultimate about the balance. Eating too much protein can lead to weight gain, digestive issue, kidney problems, and bad health. Maybe increased risk of cancer. If most of your protein is coming from animal source, like the dairy meat. Which foods are high in protein? Eggs. One large egg, 50 g, provides 6.3 g of protein. Almonds. 1 ounce, 28.35 g of almonds provides 6 g of protein. Chicken breast. 1/2 of a chicken breast, 86 g, provides 26.7 g of protein. Cottage cheese. 1 cup, 226 g of cottage cheese provides 28 g of protein. Greek yogurt. 1 7-ounce, 200 g container provides 19.9 g.